Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're shooting my Bergara B14R carbon, and I'm going to do a little experiment. I got two of the Day at the Range challenges down there, and the first one, I got this Control steel muzzle brake. It's a 22 caliber brake. I'm going to try it on the first target. Second target, I'm going to take it off. No brake or thread protector, just be bare bones. We are shooting 10x rapid fire pistol. Silver bullet, round nose. We have 40 loaded up, and we have the EDPRS 420 on top of this rifle now. And we'll do some sighters. Our temperature today is about -3, -4 degrees. We have a bit of wind from my right to my left. Nothing too big, but it's basically, yeah, we still have wind. Let's get the shooting here. Parallax looks okay. And here we go. 40 rounds, we need 14 per target. So I have 6 sighters on each. Here we go. Shooting the left target first. Wow. Okay, that was almost 3 mils to the right. Okay, let's try that again. As you can see so far, I don't have ejection issues with this rifle, but the steel version with the gray stock, tons of problems. Here we go again. All right, that one was 4/10 to the left. I went 3. We'll just see where we're at here. I'm gonna aim at the same hole. Really high, but pretty close. That's 3 shots. Same hold. We might as well do one more just to get that done. Okay, let's come down one. And I'm going to aim at the S and sighters. Still a little bit to the left, but we'll start off the brand new mag. And we're getting 1067 as our average velocity so far. All right, here we go, target number 1. Okay, perfect, number 2. Number 3. Okay, that's crazy, we missed it.
Save!
Number 4. We popped the balloon. Terrible. Number 5. Actually, I'm gonna go for the middle of the 20 there. Try to get the inner 5 for 2 points. Just like that. 6. That's a 6. 7. Here we go. We got that 7. 8. Natural point of aim. That's the key here. I think that counts. Number 9. Whew, we almost missed that one. And 10, last round of this mag. I think we got it. Right between the 5. Not bad. And we'll finish her up. We have 4 rounds left in this mag. 11. I think I'm going to play it safe. I'm going to shoot the outside part. The inside one's really small. I'm not feeling like a gambling man today. I think we popped the balloon anyways. Number 12, this should be easy. Should be. $13. That counts. Last but not least, number 14. We got it. So that's with the break. Now I'll spin that off real quick, but I can't show it on YouTube because that's against the rules. So take that off and we'll do our next target. And we are back. So we have 6 sighters now for the next target. I wonder if the point of impact is going to change with that break off, but it seemed to do pretty good. I'm actually pretty impressed with the results of that. So now let's try without a break. Aiming at the S and sighters. A little high, a little bit left. Aim at the G. We're a little high, a little left. I'm not going to make another adjustment. Just going to see if I can get him in the same hole. I think we're good. So I'll grab a new mag with 10. And we'll start this challenge. So a little high and a little bit left. So I'm going to try to hit the actual 1 number. Ooh, a little low. All right, number 2. We popped it, but that was close to a miss. Number 3. Okay. Number 4. Number 5, I'm going to go for the center one again. Got it. Number 6. Ooh, popped the balloon. Number 7. A little low. Pop the balloon. Number 8. That one counts. Number 9. And 10. And your mag. Number 11. Oh no, pop the balloon. 12, let's go quick. 13. And 14. All right, there we have it. Shooting a little 10x rapid fire pistol here out of my Bergara carbon fiber with EDPRS 4-20 on the top. And it didn't do too bad. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye for now.